Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this short tutorial, I show you how to increase or decrease budget for Google Play Store. This is very easy. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel. So let's start. First, open Google Play Store on your device. After opening the Play Store app, then tap on profile icon and then tap on payments and subscriptions. Now tap on budget and history. Here you can a option that is edit budget. Now tap on edit budget. Now you can set a budget. From here you can increase or decrease your budget. Now you can set a budget which you want and then tap on save. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and then subscribe our channel. Thank you.